Did you like your bath time today? Yeah, yes you did. Did you like your bath time today? Yes you did. Yes you did. You didn't cry one bit. You love bath time now. Right? Right. You love bath time. Oh, no, we can't see. Yes, you love it. Yes, you love it. I decided to just do a compilation of the last couple days because I haven't been able to vlog consistently, so my vlogs are too short. So here's a compilation of day 34, 35, 36, and 37. Here is day 35, postpartum. We're out of confinement now, so I'm starting to reach out to my friends, which is why I haven't been posting as regularly. I didn't post yesterday and I didn't post 2 days ago either. I'm going to do a quick little recap since I didn't post yesterday. So this was yesterday's lunch and today's lunch. These are some flowers for Isla's 1 month. That was a few days ago. And we ended up going to Nick's parents' house yesterday, and his sister bought us a nice, beautiful 1 month celebration cake because it's a big milestone for baby. And here is a very nice art decorated cake. I was more fascinated by taking pictures of it. And the cool thing is that it was super, super, super light. Barely any sugar in it. It just had a few mangoes and stuff in it. It's so, so, so light and was delicious. I had one slice of it and we kept it at that. And that's it. That was yesterday. Baby's doing her afternoon nap time in the baby carrier. So we are doing some planning this afternoon. Okay, so here I've decided that meal prep day is going to be every Tuesday evening, and my brother said he's going to come help me hold the baby, and we'll actually meal prep together because he just moved down the street as well, which is awesome. Okay, now we finally made it outside. I got my water bottle, some towels, a snack for Honey, who's working on the pool again. I put her on one side of the umbrella, locked the second side, put tables around her so she can't go anywhere, and put an umbrella on this side and the deck box, so she is very locked in here. And I might put the cover, and yeah, there you go. Baby's outside, not crying. This is a good moment. Good job. Okay, I got some salad from yesterday here with some candied salmon, some oatmeal blueberries, and some rice that I give to Nick. The table's messy. Baby is 37 days old today. I had this brilliant idea to order HelloFresh for 4 people and just meal prep them. So now I've got my low carb, carb smart Cajun beef, and I divided it up into 4 portions that I'm gonna eat throughout the week. And then the other meals, I'll do the same stuff with it. This is my HelloFresh plan. So basically, I got the calorie smart and the low carb ones. So all the fresh ingredients come in packages. These are 3 of the ones, but I don't actually have the 4th one because I just prepared it. So that's what it looks like. I'll do the unboxing next week when I get my 2nd box. You're so cute. You're so cute.